It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader, techtrader.com. It's Tuesday, February 13th. Not a good day on Wall Street. Markets plunged. Only a late rally brought it back. Still sharp losses on a day with really bad technicals. Is this the beginning of a deeper move or just a retracement? We're going to find out pretty soon. But for now, I'm going to show you some longs and some shorts today. We're going to start off with a look at BCYC, which today popped. It was a day trade for me too. I really like the way it popped out and closed at the upper end of the range. Targets going forward, 27.5, 33.5. BMR with an explosive move yesterday had an inside day today. And it's something we need to watch closely because if it's not done, if this thing's going to explode, you might very well see it running back towards 40 or even 50 or 60. But for now, keep close tabs on the 15-minute chart. You can see it's a squeeze to the apex on this one. And should it pop out, it could run right back into the mid-30s or more. Something intriguing about this one. Dbgi exploded today, literally went from 287 to 1280 and finished all the way back to 690. Up 404 though, it's 140%. A mere 75 million share traded today. Usually that kind of a thrust will have some follow through. We shall see. Targets now 9 and 13 if it does do that. GCT, the tech trader swing that continues to look awesome and is rising in a rising channel. I had a bullish engulfing bar today. I like this look. Unless the market falls apart, this might very well be a $40 stock. Keep a close tab on the support on this one at 26.5. Jblu with a major pop and breakout today, I believe, on a strong earnings report. But either case, it was a technical breakout, but not so through the declining top line, which is really going back 3 years. If we can break through here, you might see a run at 9.25.5. Lian funded book out of a very tight call that has been for weeks, let's call it, and spiked 415 to 488, finished 482, up 19.3%. Volume was a hefty 10.2 million. And looks like if it breaks through here, it could be a $6 stock. LSCC popped, engulfing reversal bar, closed above the resistance line. And the volume was 10 million shares. It was up $1.30, only a small percentage gain from where it closed, but way off the low. If it is going to extend, I'm going to give this one a look, run up near the mid-80s. CI also popped on a good report. It's near the major declining top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. B bottom of the right hand of the platform, and maybe a breakout. We can get to today's high and then take out resistance right there near the gap. The stock could fill that gap and get into the mid-20s. That's it on the long side. Let's go show you some boxer shorts and some tech trader shorts. CEIX, I added today. I love this head and shoulder top and breakdown. Looks like a bear flag for me. The targets are 75, 69, and 62. CMT with a major rising channel that broke down hard and showed you a rising wedge here. Pulled back and morphed into a coil. It's still bearish, particularly if it breaks down under 16. Then I'd be looking for 13.5 and maybe 11. COCO, massive head and shoulder top, it's a tech trader swing, has actually come back up a little bit. It might be doing a retest in that zone. If it fails, you're all over to 18 and 15. Fox Factory as well at a nice pullback today of 5.25, lost 7.5%. What we're looking for is a confirmation breakdown through 60.5, could plunge it into the mid-50s or less. INMD with a massive reversal from 26.5 to 22.62. Did bounce a point, but finished down to 7 or 10%. I'm looking for a retest of the 19 zone and then Katie bar the door on the downside. LNTH, another bear flag. I don't know how far they take it down, but the target's 44.46 zone for starters next. And finally, the new one we put out today, I believe, MIRM, after 5 waves up, plunged in a 3-wave corrective, formed a bear flag, but couldn't follow through. And a nice day yesterday, had a bearish inside day today. I think it's bearish. We'll see. You can stop over 30, but if this thing comes down, we're looking at 25.5 and then 23. Potentially lower than that, but we'll see how it starts. And that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening. I shall return and talk to you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.